Drip Marketing Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Drip is a powerful marketing automation tool designed specifically for e-commerce businesses looking to streamline their customer engagement strategies. With its intuitive interface and robust features, Drip enables you to create targeted, personalized email campaigns, automate workflows, and analyze customer behavior for optimized sales funnels. One standout feature is its visual workflow builder, which makes designing complex automations straightforward, even for beginners. The tool's segmentation capabilities are another highlight, allowing you to group your audience based on purchase history, engagement levels, and more, ensuring your messaging resonates with the right people. Drip integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, making it an ideal choice for online store owners. It also supports multi-channel marketing by including SMS automation alongside email campaigns. This means you can engage your customers at multiple touchpoints for a more cohesive and impactful marketing strategy. The built-in analytics and reporting tools provide detailed insights into campaign performance, helping you identify what's working and where adjustments are needed. Setting up Drip is quick and user-friendly, with a robust library of pre-built templates for emails and workflows to get you started. The platform is tailored for businesses of all sizes, offering scalability as your needs grow. During my usage, I found the tagging and event tracking features particularly useful for understanding customer journeys and tailoring offers based on their actions. For instance, you can set up abandoned cart campaigns or upsell sequences effortlessly. Drip's pricing is based on the size of your email list, which can be a drawback for businesses with tight budgets. But the value it provides in terms of time saved and conversion improvements justifies the cost for most e-commerce operations. The customer support is responsive, with extensive resources like tutorials and guides to help you navigate any challenges. In summary, Drip is a versatile tool built for e-commerce marketers who prioritize personalization and efficiency. It empowers you to create meaningful customer interactions while providing the data-driven insights needed to boost sales. If you're looking to automate your marketing without compromising on customization, Drip is a tool worth considering.